Gonna go from a gaming stream to torturing cats. Here, give me your nails. I can barely see. Holy crap. Haha, that's one. Whoo, look how sharp that motherfucker is. Jeez, girls, your nails are getting long. Oh, there's one. I knew I missed the fifth one. Look at that motherfucker. That's some bitch is long. Woo! That was a good size one, wasn't it? Jeez, when was the last time I clipped your nails? That one's a little too close. That nail was thick, Tara. Holy crap. Learn to bite your nails or something. Okay, give me your rear legs. No, come here. Gotta reposition you. I need your rear legs. I need your rear legs. And clip. 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 You just got one more. What? You just got one more paw to go. Don't meow me. Let's see here. Clip. Two more. Ooh, yeah. Let me see this. No, let me see this one. Oh, thought I got you there for a second. And there. You did good.